most loved products that I use at Yelo Autosports. So first off, customer retention management software. I use what's called Yelo. All my services, all the appointments that we have, it gives me the chance to contact clients prior. During their service, it actually allows me to tell people that their car is now getting worked on and when it is completed. Definitely has made my business a whole lot better, but let me show you different things that I also love as a detailer that make my operations better, smoother on a day-to-day basis, and I think that most detailers should have if you don't already have it. Okay, product-wise, everybody's gonna be a little subjective as to what they love using. For me, I am a huge fan of a few brands only. I love the Stoneax line, the Cut Max and the Perfect Finish. I'm a huge fan of these. I also keep Meguiar's and I use Oberk. Shout out Oberk, Dave over at Oberk. What's up, man? How's it going? Oberk, Stoneax, and Meguiar's. Those are my top three. Any of those three, in my opinion, are gonna work great if you're an auto detailer. This is definitely the ones that are go-to for me. Another thing that I love having too is a good set of tools, obviously. So here we use Rupes. We got a couple of the Bigfoots. They are our go-to. Now, Flex is also really good. But I'm a big fan of, not only is it just name brand and because they're expensive for a reason. The ergonomics are good. They have the torque that you need to get some good cutting power. I have some of these I've had for the last 6-7 years. A few more things, let me show you. So here we have my beautiful NSX. As you can see, this car is, I'm not saying go buy an NSX, but if you can, you will get yourself one of the nicest JDM cars out in the market today. Having a nice car for your shop is always useful. If you can afford it, it's a nice way to just get yourself out there, go to the community, be part of the meets and be part of that car world, which we are part of as detailers. This thing is a piece that we buffed and polished and made it all as perfect as we could. So we actually will take this to car shows and show and tell people the services that we do based on the car that I have here, which is a prime example of all the paint correction, polishing, cutting, all those things that we've done here is the exact same thing that we're gonna do on clients' cars. So it's great if you have an example that you can show. Let's look at a few more things too that I love having. One thing that I truly think a detailer should have is a set of either a nice headlamp from Scan Grip or their handheld light, or even just a basic light that's like a camping light. These are really useful when you're doing paint correction. I think that you gotta have good lighting. Even if your shop doesn't have good lighting above you, having a good set of lights that you can move around with you. One more thing that I wanna show you that I think you should definitely have as a detailer, so let's go take a look at that. All right, so lastly, the last piece for all your interior details, if you have a steamer, this thing will do a lot of the cleaning for you. This is a tool that is very useful. Even if you get one of the cheaper ones, they might break down on you a little quicker, which then you'll just have to buy new ones. Steamer is a tool that I definitely recommend. So that's just a list of some of the things that I have in my shop that I truly believe and stand behind, that I think make me a better detailer, that I think that if you carry those things in your shop would probably make your detailing experience a lot better. And a lot of it is also to make your process smoother, faster, more efficient so that you can return quality vehicles back to your clients. So that's all I got.